Okay, YouTubers, here's another DIY. So I have a full bank of 8-foot long fluorescent T12 tubes. Okay, so the T12s are the large ones. They're over an inch in diameter. So these are a ballast system, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change these over to an LED. Okay, so I'm gonna change this into those, just like that over there. So as I take these cover off, these are just a 90-degree turn here. Pop these out, a couple retainer holes, feet go in there, clip goes in here and turns it. So you can see that the ballast, we're going to change this ballast out. It's leaking, it's old, it consumes a lot of energy. I'll have give you some more details on this of what the wattage we're currently using and what we'll be using afterwards. Okay. So on these are single pin bulbs, and so we have a spring-loaded tombstone at this end. We do have a bulk of wire. It's right here that's been wound up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that. And that's going to give us a little extra wire to play with. Now the spring-loaded side is the way I'm wiring is the hot side, and the neutral is the solid tombstone end. And so there's just one wire that goes to the spring-loaded side, but on the other side there's two wires, two neutrals, and I'll show you that here in just a second. So on this side we have extra wire on our neutral wire. So we'll uncoil that, and it gives us working room. Now in this scenario, you see this red wire, that's our hot wire that goes all the way along this whole bank. This bank that we're currently working on is 277 volts. The LEDs that I'm putting in work on a range from 110 to 277. So I'll show you how to clean this up. I'm just going to take these leads here. We're going to clean that off. Give us a large chunk of wire. We can recycle that. And then our hot lead. We're going to pop the hot lead off, and we'll just let it dangle there for a second. On the other side of the ballast here is what fed the other end of the unit, so we're going to clip that. So now all the wires to our ballast are actually removed. Take our one screw, our holding screw here, remove that nut. That slides off, and we'll be able to wiggle our ballast out. Now, I don't know if you can see that here, but it's just gooey. It has a bunch of heat. It's really hot and draws a lot of power. So we removed the ballast. Now what we're going to do is I take my red lead, my hot lead that goes down to the spring-loaded side that I've uncoiled, and see how much length I have, and the other coil that came off that fed the power to the ballast. I have enough length that all I need to do is just use a wire nut and tie these two together. Tuck those wires in there nice and neat. So now I just have standard power going to hot lead on one end, neutral on the other. We'll put the covers back on. One side. Cover on the other side. And now we're ready to go. The moment of truth.